Hello students, in this video we will see about zero of polynomial. So it is a value of variable which makes the value of polynomial equal to zero. What is zero of polynomial? It is a value of variable which makes value of polynomial equal to zero. For example, I have written here one polynomial, that is 2x minus 6. So p of x is equal to 2x minus 6 is the given polynomial, and you have to find out zero of this polynomial. Okay, if I put x is equal to 1, so what will be value of this polynomial? 2 into 1 minus 6. So 2 minus 6, which is equal to minus 4. Next, if I put x is equal to 2, so 2 into 2 minus 6, so 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2. If I put now next x is equal to 3, 2 into 3 minus 6, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. That means, can I write at x is equal to 3, value of polynomial is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 is called as zero of given polynomial. Okay, so what is the definition? Again, now we will see the definition. It is the value of variable. What is the value here? 3, which makes the value of polynomial equal to 0. Okay, now we will take another example. Let us say example number 2. Let's say p of x is equal to x minus 5. Now, or let's say p is equal to x plus 5. Now you have to find out value of x. You have to find out value of x such that p of x should be equal to 0. Okay, you have to find value of x such that p of x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to minus 5, we will check at x is equal to minus 5, what is p of x? P of x is equal to minus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 5 is called as 0 of given polynomial. Okay, so I think it is understood now that what is 0 of polynomial. Okay, so in a simple language, can I say to find a 0 of polynomial? To find 0 of polynomial, equate given polynomial equate the given polynomial to 0. If you want to find out 0 of polynomial, you have to equate the given polynomial with 0. For example, let us consider same example. Let's say given polynomial is x plus 5. Given polynomial is x plus 5, you have to find out its 0. So you have to equate p of x equal to 0. That means x plus 5 equal to 0, which gives you x is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is what? It is a 0 of polynomial. Is it right? Yes. Okay, so you have to note that if it is asked to find out the 0 of polynomial, you have to equate the given polynomial to 0. Okay, let us see. Consider a linear polynomial now. Consider linear polynomial. We know what is a linear polynomial. We have already seen the classification. What is a linear polynomial? Let's say x plus 8 is the given polynomial. Is it a linear? Yes. Why it is a linear? Because the degree of variable, what is the degree of variable here? 1. What is the degree of variable here? 1. That's why it is called as linear. So let us say it is asked to find a zero of this polynomial. So what you will do? You will equate the given polynomial, which is x plus 8 equal to 0. So what will be x here? It will be minus 8. So minus 8 is called as zero of the polynomial. Zero of polynomial. Now you have to tell me, is there any another value of x which will make the given polynomial equal to 0? No. There is only one value of x, that is minus 8, which will make the value of polynomial equal to 0. Therefore, we can say for linear polynomial, there is only one zero of polynomial. Is this statement right? Why? Because there are no other value. There will be only a single value which will make the given polynomial equal to 0. Therefore, for linear polynomial, there is only one zero of polynomial. Okay. Next, let us see how many values are there for quadratic polynomial. Let us consider quadratic polynomial. What do you mean by quadratic polynomial first? Quadratic polynomial means what? A polynomial with degree 2. So let us consider x square minus 5x plus 6 is the given polynomial. Now it is asked to find zero of given polynomial. This is the question. Now we will see how many values, how many zeros you will get. Okay. Now let us say I will check at x is equal to 1. So 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So 1 minus 5 plus 6. So it will be 2. Let us check the value of given polynomial at 2. So 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So 4 minus 10 plus 6. So 10 minus 10. Yes, you are getting 0 here. That means this is 1 0. 0 of polynomial. What is 0 of polynomial? 2. Right. Let us check value of given polynomial at x is equal to 3. So 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square is how much? 9 minus 15 plus 6, 0. Yes. So 3 is also called as 0 of the polynomial. That means, can I say there are two values? There are two values of x, which makes given polynomial, the given polynomial equal to 0. So does that mean quadratic polynomial has how many zeros? Has 2 0 of polynomial. Is it right? Okay. So see here, when we talk of a linear polynomial, okay, what we will do? better we will make one table. So in the first column, a type of polynomial and zero of polynomial. Okay, this is important. See here, first we have taken first linear polynomial. So how many values of zero we got? 1. Next, we have seen about quadratic polynomial also. So for quadratic polynomial, how many zeros we got? We got 2 values of variable, which makes polynomial 0. So 0 will be 2. Similarly, if we take a cubic polynomial, you will get 3 zeros of polynomial. So likewise, let's say a given polynomial, there is a polynomial with degree n, so such polynomial will have n zeros of polynomial. See, if it is a linear, what is the degree here? What is the degree? 1. So you got 1 0 of polynomial. If it is a quadratic, what is a degree of quadratic polynomial? 2. So you got 2 values of zeros. Cubic, that means 3 degree. So you got 3 zeros of polynomial. Similarly, if you are having a polynomial with degree n, so it will have n zeros of polynomial. Okay, is it right? So you have to remember, zero of polynomial means it is a value of variable which makes the value of polynomial equal to 0. First thing, if you want to find out the zero of polynomial, you have to equate the given polynomial with 0 and find out the value of variable. Okay, so these are the 2 learnings from today's lecture. Okay, so hope with this video you will be able to find out zero of any polynomial. Thank you.